Dwi'n dod o Lancashire, ond rwan dwi'n byw yn Gogledd Cymru efo'r teulu. Dwi wedi bod yn dysgu Cymraeg am tua 2 flwyddyn. Dwi'n siarad bob dydd yn y Gymraeg efo staff. Dwi'n meddwl mae'n bwysig.
I've done classes in the evening before I joined North Wales Police, and then since working for North Wales Police I've also done classes through work. I went to Nant Gwaith as well. That was amazing to have a week away just speaking Welsh all the time.
Bes I Cymru yn Coedian, so ysgol Gymraeg. Mae hanner o fy nheulu yn siarad Cymraeg, mae hanner nhw yn Indian, a wedyn. Dwi ddim yn rili siarad Cymraeg ar adref oherwydd fy mam I ddim yn siarad Cymraeg. So oedd e'n neis I gallu siarad Cymraeg yn aml pan oedd ni wedi dechrau yma. Oedd y Cymraeg I ddim yn dda iawn, I fod yn onest. Ond dwi ddim mwy cyfforddus yn siarad Cymraeg nawr, a dwi yn meddwl bod y Cymraeg i'n gwella o dydd I dydd wrth fi siarad Cymraeg I cwsmeriaid.
Learning Welsh has opened my eyes to a different culture, really, that I wouldn't have appreciated otherwise. I'm really pleased that I can understand more than I can speak. I'm able to be part of conversations with friends who are speaking Welsh, and I can understand what they're saying, therefore I can get involved. And that's not because they're being exclusive, it's just about, just having a wider awareness, really. I'm really pleased that I can follow my children's Christmas concerts.
Dwi'n ffeindio bod pobl sy'n siarad Cymraeg fel iaith cyntaf, ble maen nhw'n yn yr ysbyty, a maen nhw'n bregus, a maen nhw'n droslyd, a maen nhw eisiau cyfathrebu drwy y memiaeth.
Ti'n cysurus?
Maen nhw'n ymlacio ar unwaith os ydyn nhw'n clywed Cymraeg. Felly dwi'n dweud helo yn gofyn iddyn nhw os ydyn nhw'n siarad Cymraeg, a os ydyn nhw'n parhau cael sgwrs yn y Gymraeg. Ar y lefel personol, dwi'n caru Cymraeg, felly fi'n trio defnyddio iaith bob dydd. Ar y lefel proffesiynol, dylai pawb allu defnyddio y iaith a weidewis yn y gwasanaeth iechyd.
Eleni, dyn ni wedi cael dros 100 o bobl yn cymryd y cwrsiau awr a hanner, y blas ar y Gymraeg. Felly mae'n symud o nerth I nerth, a fi'n falch iawn I weld hynny'n digwydd.
My Welsh class is in our South Wales Fire Service headquarters. Hailwyn is our teacher. It's fun. I'm not great at talking it, but I understand more words. So I can sit there now and listen to them talking, and I can pick up on words. It's just getting the confidence to talk back to them, as opposed to just listening to them.
Sut mae'r tywydd heddiw, Dimitri?
Mae hi'n wyntog.
There's a group of us that meet once a week. It's about an hour session, and we just practice speaking Welsh. It's just good to keep our Welsh language skills up, especially if some of us haven't used it in a while and we're a bit rusty, so it helps us a lot.
Grŵp ymarfer yw I godi hyder mwy na dim byd, a bod yn onest.
Bore da, gwasanaeth tan.
Mae rhai pobl sy'n ffonio I fyny, na nhw ofyn os ydyn ni'n siarad Cymraeg. A pan maen nhw'n gwybod bod ni yn, odyn, mae rhai pobl yn hoffi siarad yn y iaith Gymraeg. So mae'n bwysig o di bod ni'n gallu sgwrsio efo nhw yn y Gymraeg.
It's important to use Welsh at work. For me personally, I've always wanted to speak and be able to speak and use Welsh since I was young. I like to speak with colleagues in work and other people, and I like to use Welsh within my work. Also, it helps the organisation build a Welsh profile.
Mae Cymraeg wedi bod yn bwysig I fyrfa I. Dwi'n meddwl bron y bod mewn pob swydd wedi cael. Does ddim rhaid I fi cael Cymraeg, ond wedi bod defnyddiol iawn. Ac yn y swydd yma, mae WCVA eisiau bobl yn y tîm reolwyr sy'n siarad Cymraeg, a mae wedi bod yn bwysig, mae wedi bod yn help fawr I fi I gallu siarad Cymraeg.
My name is Tina Kingsley Hughes, and my job is I work as a call centre advisor with BT. I want to learn Welsh because it'd be great for conversation and, you know, getting to know my friends better because all of them speak Welsh. I'll be able to communicate with customers better and my colleagues as well. I can speak about, you know, just basic things like hello, you know, how are you, and can I have some milk, things like that. I'd love to learn it more.
Dwi'n dŵad o Barbados on radio. O'n i eisiau ddysgu Cymraeg achos dwi'n credu bod pobl sy'n dod o dramor yn cael responsibility I ddysgu y mam iaith. Ar ôl I mi ddechrau siarad yn Cymraeg, mae'n just codi'r galon achos mae'r plentyn bach yn ymlacio. Hefyd, mae ei rhieni yn ymlacio hefyd. A dwi'n meddwl bod y consultation yn redeg mwy smooth. Yn fy marn I, dysgu Cymraeg ydy'r peth gorau dwi wedi wneud.
Dwi'n prawd iawn bod fi'n gallu siarad Cymraeg a fe jyst yn bwysig iawn I fi yn personol.
I think it's a beautiful language. I like the sounds, I like the words.
Paid a bod yn swyl am dysgu.
As long as you keep at it, it doesn't matter how slow your progress is, you will make progress.
I would say to anybody who's thinking of learning Welsh to go ahead because it's really useful to be able to speak Welsh with other Welsh speakers in work and outside of work.
The only real way to understand a lot of Welsh culture is to do it through the medium of Welsh.
Something to feel very proud about.
Os da chi'n gallu dysgu Cymraeg yn y gwaith, go for it.